Today I am checking out the Nashville Goodwill Bins. This is the Berry Hill area. I've been to this one before and it is huge and I'm excited to come back and check it out. This is luck. We got the last cart available. Okay, it's a little crazy in here. We're gonna go to this side where it's a little bit calmer. I don't want to scare Waylon. My 14-year-old son is with me. And Waylon, is this your first time at the Bins? I don't know if he's come with me to our regular one. All right, we got some hard goods here. I don't know what's over there. It looks like shoes. It looks like shoes over there that they're all freaking out about. This looks like a pretty bag. What brand is this? Isabel? I might have to look that up. This looks very expensive. Y'all, I swear, I can tell quality when I see it. This is apparently sold at Neiman Marcus. Hundreds of dollars. Absolutely coming home with me. I see some feet in here. Is that a statue? Little fairy girl. It's cute. Softballs. Oh, a cactus. Waylon. And a clown wig. Do we need a cactus? You want a cactus in your room? I feel like we could put this in a pot and it would be cute. You want it? Alright, he says no. We're gonna leave it here. Some foam balls. See brass. Ooh, I like this on it. Hammered look. Oh yeah, it has the tassels. I've never found one like this. I usually find the vases with this little tassel detail. All right, add that to the cart. These bins are different than my local ones. They're bigger and just piled with stuff, so it's a little bit harder to dig because you can barely reach across it. Also, it's paid by the pound here, so I do have to be careful with what I get because it can get real expensive real fast. Oh, this was a lamp, I think. It's broken. What is this? Right here. Oh, window shade. You found a boot? Little kitchen. Oh, wait, I see something brass. Oh, I needed 2 hands to dig it out. It was attached to everything. That's cute. I'm gonna get that. What you found? Some Easter eggs? I don't think we need those. Alright, add that to the cart. Waylon's in charge of keeping our basket because y'all know I got a habit of leaving it behind. And I don't know how the bins are over here. I don't want to get my stuff stolen while I'm not paying attention. What in the world? I don't know what this is. That is a giant spider right there. I'm going to check it out. Alright, let's see what this is. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. It is a giant spider. Oh man. That's not the teeth. Like it's opened up and messed up. If it wouldn't be messed up, I would absolutely get this for my Halloween decor. There's several bins of books. These are 59 cents a pound. Looks like all the other items are $1.89 a pound. See if they have any good vintage books in here. Ooh, deckled pages. bright orange. I think I'm gonna leave that one here. I think I'm gonna need 2 hands to dig through these books. Spins very deep. I like this book. It says Little Men, but I really like the cover and the colors. Oh, Waylon found some. Pete the Cat Saves Christmas. I'm gonna get that one too. Add to cart. He found some other books too that he wants. I really love this book set. Found all of these so far. It's American history. I like the color and the numbers, but I don't know, because it's pay by the pound here. I don't know how expensive these are gonna be. They got a new bin right here that they're still bringing out, but at my bins you have to stand behind a line and you cannot touch it. Everybody's right here looking in the bins, but I don't think they can take anything out yet until the workers say it's okay. But different bins have different rules. Here's a Christmas tree, but I only see 2 pieces. I think I might be missing one, but I can't dig yet. We're still waiting for them to finish bringing out the bins and let us know that we can dig. Something rusty. It'd be cute for Christmas decor. It's not too heavy. Look, it has gooses on it, or is that ducks? Ducks with bows. I've never seen one like this. That's cute. I'm getting this. Ooh, here's a soccer ball. Waylon, you want a soccer ball? You want a soccer ball? He said he's good. Oh, cute little salt shaker. Add to cart. Look, my cart's pretty. I don't think I'm going to be getting too much today because I don't think I'm going to be here much longer. But got some cute stuff so far. Here's some green rain boots. If you already have some of these, this is great Christmas decor. Me and my husband both had green rain boots. And at Christmas time, I would take them and use them in my Christmas decor. You put greenery and stuff in them and they look adorable. These are a little bit bright for my decor. I like the dark kind of vintage looking green, but just wanted to give y'all that idea. I thought of it when I saw these. These skates would be cute in Christmas decor. Look, they got a little pom-pom on them. You could even put an IOD transfer on them with some red ribbon. That would be pretty. I have a few furniture pieces here as well. This has prices on it. $7.99. Chairs are $5.99. Ooh, look at that piece right there. Ooh, just a drop leaf table. It's adorable. $9.99. This piece is $7.99. Waylon has left me. He went to sit in the car. The Goodwill Bins is not for everyone. He did ask to come, but he came. He experienced. He will probably never come back with me again. So I'm gonna look around one more time, do one more lap, and then I'll probably head out. Oh, look, somebody put a hinge on this cigar box. It's this little wood piece. That's a bookend. All right, I think I'm gonna head out. Didn't get too much. Got this purse, book, this teapot right here, some brass pieces, and salt and pepper shaker, one book. Waylon got 2 books. That's it. I will put a total on the screen of what I spent on this stuff. It should be all paid by the pound except for the books. And I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure. This was the Berry Hill Goodwill Bins in Nashville, so if you're ever in the area, definitely come check it out. Everything fit in my cute little tote bag. Y'all let me know if I should keep this or sell this. Also, I forgot that they got a retail Goodwill right there, so I might run in there real quick if Waylon wants to.